our test polar fans, the Night Howler. Indiana, not too awful far from home here tonight, and well, he's got 329 and 73. Mark to be here, 329, 73. Out there tonight. Where's our Ford fans? All right. Well, this is your lone shot here. It's a good one. Gambler out of Kentucky. question, did he go far enough? This is going to be close. The young lady, let's see if she can do it. Out there, just like that. Exactly what happened down there. And that was it. Is the mark to be here, 321 and 98. Out here, he'll have the decision whether or not he will take her turn down that run. Over on the left side, but you're letting that truck kind of